Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Mathematical Economics. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to compute inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. You can find more videos on mathematical economics, econometrics, SPSS, RStudio, micro and macroeconomics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin. Suppose we have a 2 cross 2 matrix A, which is equal to 4, 7, 2, 6. And we want to find the inverse of this matrix. So inverse of this matrix is denoted by A raised to minus 1, that is A inverse. So let's understand it step by step. So step 1. Step 1 is to compute the determinant. So determinant of A is denoted by four, 7, 2, 6. So it is 4 into 6 minus 7 into 2. So this is equal to 24 minus 14 is equal to 10, and this 10 is not equal to 0. Therefore matrix A, this matrix is invertible. Matrix A is invertible. So this is the required condition, that determinant of A must not be equal to 0. So this is step 1. Now let's understand step 2. Step 2. So step 2 is compute minors. That is step number 2. So how do we compute minors? So the minor of an element, let's understand this. The minor of an element is found by deleting its row and column and computing the determinant. So let's understand this for our example. So we know that matrix A is 4, 7, 2, 6. So now we want to find the minor. M11 is minor of A11. So therefore we remove row 1 and column 1. So you remove row 1, column 1. The remaining element is 6. M12, now you remove first row, second column, so remaining digit is 2. Similarly M21, so we delete second row, first column, therefore we have 7, and then M22, second row, second column, so the remaining element is 4. So minor matrix M is M11 is 6, M12 is 2, 7, 4. So this becomes the minor of matrix A. Now let's understand step 3. Step 3. So here now we are going to compute cofactors. Now we are going to compute the cofactors. So again write the matrix A. So A is 4, 7, 6, 2, and minor of this matrix is 6, 2, 7, 4. Now how do we compute the cofactor? So C11, that is the cofactor of A11. So C11 is cofactor of A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into M11. So C11 is the minus 1 raised to I plus j is equal to M11. So it is minus 1 I plus j is the ith column and ith row and jth column. So since it is 1 1, it is 1 plus 1 into what is M11, and M11 is 6, so it is minus 1 raised to 2 into 6, therefore it is equal to 6. So cofactor of A11 is 6. So now we can we can decide the signs. So cofactors, let me note down. Cofactors are calculated by applying the sign pattern. The sign pattern. Now what is the sign pattern? It is plus, minus, minus, plus. Because this is A11, this is A12, this is A21, and this is A22. So this is how we find the cofactor. So cofactor matrix, that is C, is equal to plus 1 into M11 minus 1 into M12 minus 1 into M21 and plus 1 into M22. This is how we find the minor of the matrix. So let's find cofactor of the matrix. So we want to find the cofactor matrix. So C11 we have already calculated here, it is 6. Now what is C12? Let me note down the matrix again. So our matrix is 4 7 6 2, 4 7 6 2, and minor is 6 2 7 4, 6 2 7 4. So now what is C12? C12 is equal to minus 1. See here, C12 is minus 1 into M12. M12 is 2, so therefore it is minus 2. Then C21 is again minus sign, so minus 1 into M21. So M21 is 7, so it is minus 7. And last is C22. So C22 is plus 1 into M22. M22 is 4, so therefore it is equal to 4. So now cofactor matrix is 6 minus 2 minus 7 4. Now step 4. Step 4, compute adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. So what is adjoint matrix? Adjoint of matrix A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix. So therefore, now we take the transpose of this matrix. So how do we find it? It is 6 minus 2 minus 7 4. This is our adjoint of A. And now we are going to find the inverse matrix, that is step 5. Compute inverse matrix. So what is the formula of inverse matrix? So inverse matrix is A raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So now we know that the value of the determinant of A is 10, and what is adjoint of A? It is 6 minus 2 minus 7 4. So therefore the answer of A inverse is 0.6 minus 0.2 minus 0.7 and 0.4. So this is how we compute the A inverse. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.